ever found yourself wondering what happens to your body when you sleep right after eating? You're not alone. Many of us have fallen into the habit of late-night snacking followed by immediate sleep. Whether it's a case of midnight munchies or a late dinner, we've all been there. But have you ever stopped to consider the implications of this habit? Our bodies are complex machines, operating on intricate processes that are often taken for granted. One of these processes is digestion, a critical function that can be affected by when and what we eat. Understanding these processes can be key to maintaining good health and well-being. But what exactly happens to your body when you sleep just after eating? How does this affect the all-important process of digestion? And most importantly, how does this habit impact your health? The answers may surprise you. So let's dive into the science of what really happens when you drift off after a late-night snack. Firstly, you need to understand that digestion is a process that requires energy. When you eat, your body works tirelessly to break down the food into smaller, absorbable units. This process is called digestion. It begins in the mouth, where food is broken down into smaller pieces and continues in the stomach, where it's further broken down by stomach acids. The broken down food then moves into your small intestine, where nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream. This entire process requires a significant amount of energy, and your body's metabolism plays a crucial role in it. Now, let's talk about sleep. During sleep, your body's metabolism slows down as the body shifts into a state of rest and recovery. This slowing down of metabolism impacts the efficiency of digestion, as the body now has less energy to break down and absorb food. So when you sleep immediately after eating, your body struggles to digest food efficiently. Now that you understand the mechanics, you might be wondering, so what? Well, sleeping immediately after eating can lead to several health implications. For starters, your body struggles to digest food when you're lying down, which can lead to indigestion. This discomfort not only disrupts your sleep, but can also lead to more serious gastrointestinal issues over time. Then there's the issue of weight gain. Your body burns fewer calories when you're asleep, so those late night snacks could be contributing to a few unwanted pounds. Moreover, heartburn is another common consequence of sleeping soon after a meal. When you lie down, it's easier for stomach acid to travel up your esophagus, causing that all too familiar burning sensation. Over time, this can cause damage to the esophagus and increase your risk of certain cancers. Therefore, it's clear that your late night snack could be impacting your health in more ways than you might think. So, should you starve yourself before? Absolutely not. Instead, think about how you can adjust your evening eating habits for your well-being. Share your thoughts in the comments.